Hey everyone, I'm Vadim. I'm a video tech specialist here at Nagios, and today we're going to be adding custom queries in Nagios Log Server. This allows you to quickly see queries that can help you find the errors that you need at a quick glance. Now, let's jump right in. After you log into Nagios Log Server, the first thing you want to do is go to the left-hand side and click Dashboards. Here we can find a few options. There are some default query templates here, such as 404 errors, SSH, or failed logins. You could click them here, and they'll automatically change all events and some graphs here. To create a custom query, you want to go down here, and we could see that we have no custom queries. To create a custom query, click the little plus icon right next to custom queries. Give this a name. We'll name it errors. You could type your query in here. For instance, let's just do message error. And we'll make this global so everyone can see it and submit. And now we have our own custom query. Once we run it, we could see that we have multiple queries open. To see what we have open, click this advanced search button, and you could see that our message error is right here and it's in red. If we wanted to delete a query, we can click this trash button icon, and that'll delete the previous query or the query that we just created. And you might have noticed this AI query right at the top. This can help you find something very quickly without needing a custom query. For instance, we can look up show me syslogs. And now we can see the type says syslog, and underneath, everything else has changed. By adding custom queries, you could quickly find the logs that you are looking for at a quick, easy glance. And now you have the ability to quickly search and find queries that will be critical to your company. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you have further questions, please visit support.nagios.com. I'll see you in the next one.